I'm Alessandro. Today I'm unboxing the pieces to make an automated magnetic field calibration platform. So this is what we use to apply a very uniform and controlled magnetic field to our biological samples. And actually the process of calibrating this is very painful and long. And so I am building a platform that does this very painful process for me in an automated way, so that while we build more and more coils, I can just basically press a button and it will do automatically a 2-day calibration for me.